Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. It's your boy P5, aka Phoenix the Fireboy, and this is another episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about. No, it's another episode of And Also. And today we're gonna go down to the Stony New Balance drop, see what's popping. It's 7 AM at the mall. I'm up west, so yeah, let's see what I want. I'll see you on the flip side, gang. Peace. Oh yeah. Look at them. They all queued up to recite the Lord. Everyone's here. What's happening? They ain't got them in the window, but it's all good. People queuing. I see a bit of New Balance. Everyone went quiet because they saw the camera. You get me? How long you been there? You just got here, innit? You just got here?
I got here like an hour ago maybe.
Yeah, sure. Let's see. Fresh press stuff, man. Let's see. Let's see the people down. Early girlies.
I do these on the train.
Zooming in, sorry. Don't mind me. This is pretty lady.
Good morning.
Just walking fly.
I look all raggedy.
Yeah, as if. Let me see.
Yeah, we out here.
Always fly. Oh, is that what you're doing? Underneath, yeah? It's not even a main thing. That's a side thing, yeah? Little side thing. Come on, bro. Little side thing, yeah? Just under. I see you, Alright.
Got like eyes on sort
I knew you come with some beats.
Nah, this was, I was just thinking, what's warm, innit? I was like, come on. Looking fly. I got you.
Chatting about 8 jackets this morning.
I know, bro.
I swear under that plan. If he sells it then flagship, it's like 400%. If it goes down to outlet, 30%.
Crappy air. It just smells like crap. It smells like crap. Oh, see, I told you this corner shop's real prices, man. This corner shop.
Oh my god, how are you? Good. It's so good to see you, bro. I'm loving the jacket, bro.
Oh, you guys think you know each other, yeah?
Bro, come on, little G. It's the G out here.
Come on. Yeah, what's happening, brother? You good?
You been good,
Jacket's fire.
Killing it.
Yeah. That's
Just
true.
like daddy out here.
But I can tell, man just pulled up like Daddy Mac.
Sure about shoes, isn't it?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Boom.
Calm on.
Nah, go true.
You still speak to Benny? Yeah? Is he about still?
Nah, but he's working, isn't it?
Oh, see.
See, I just been in the job now, innit? That's why I came now.
Gotcha. Yeah. So you're still about though?
Yeah, but I'm always back.
Because you left country for a while, innit?
Nah, but I'm always back. Someone me, and now me. Now I actually buy my own.
The initial investment for the bike was a lot more than £4. But like, I loved it
Because he thought it might have been. So light.
Not as bad as Adidas, so you remember when the Yeezys at Adidas, it was out there for a couple of days, man, and they cancelled it.
Oh, we had bad bullshit, but then we had good times.
Yeah, we did. A lot of good times. Man, do you remember the Moon Rocks?
Oh
and the
my
Castellas
God.
and bro, that
The
bro,
moon rocks
we
are-
had like 15 pairs between us.
Is it? I got like 3 pairs. I remember I was at Brown's.
We were just going.
And then Selfridges, I was
Bang,
running
bang,
back and forth. And
That's what
you
we
even put me on the list for bloody Foot Patrol.
Yeah, probably,
Yeah, you did. You put me and you said, oh yeah, they called your name. I was like, I was running around here. You put my name down, I remember.
Yeah, I wasn't even out for the Castellas, bro.
I know, it's
And then
crazy.
they're like, yeah, Castellas. I was like, yeah, I'm here.
What?
Piss take. And I
I've
wanted
got
them.
2 pair of them.
That was mad.
And do you know what I've done, yeah? I've got 2 pairs of them Castellas, and I got hit up by Hitchum. Do you remember Hitchum? Yeah, Hitchum
Yeah.
hit me up, yeah?
OG.
He goes, yo, Rags, I understand that you got 2 pairs of them. I goes, yeah. He goes, bro, what are you doing with them? I said, bro, I'm just looking at them for the rest of my life. He goes, well, look, I understand that. He goes, but you could probably do yourself a favour here. Dion Point needs a pair. He's your size. Let me put you 2 together. And I gave my pair to Dion Point. Said he sent me the Packers.
Oh, big.
Yeah.
Big.
Hello. Good morning. I'm going there. I'll be there at lunchtime. I promise. I'm watching you. Have a great day.
You won't be there at lunchtime, Joe. Why are you telling barefaced lies?
But that was better like hype on Castellas.
Oh, go on, bro.
Well, go on,
Yes,
bro. You alright, man?
Yeah, good, man.
It's at the Stone Island. Come to the New Balance, man.
You know what I mean? This kid's looking a bit peakish. But we're gonna obviously try and bypass that.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? But yeah. Yeah, nice one. I'm just down there, man. Yeah. I'll be up. What, you going, yeah, nah, I'm good. It's like picking up like bit shit. Yeah, just stepping on these and you know they look fresh as hell anyway. You
We're
can't
gonna
see
swap
it.
them out for these.
You know what I'm saying? Ooh, what we got there? But anyway, we got the LGs. We got a nice little bit of CP faded, washed. Love that. First of all, look at the ghost piece. I'm just gonna give him a little. Boom. You know why you're thinking? Hold on, why haven't you mentioned the elephant in the room? Because. Ooh, Jesus, do that again, bro, for me. Jeez, come on, pause, but
the
love
one.
that. Open that jacket for me a bit, please. Sorry, look at that. You see the cartoon, you know what I mean? Extra details. Jay, congratulations on another
Safe,
fresh
bro.
pickup, bro.
Thank you, my guy.
You get me? We did it. A little bit messy, but we thank God. We thank God.
We done good.
Sneaker gods are with us. Boom. All right, man. All right, guys. So it was less a camp out. You know what I mean? Just more me and Jay hanging out. And yeah, there was a little bit of noise and mess, but I can't film that because obviously I'm trying to get my pair at the time. So, you know, camera has to be secure. But yeah, man, we finally got the pairs. So we're all good. Review coming soon. This has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host P5, aka Phoenix the Fire Boy. I'm going to catch you on the flip side. Peace, gang. Later.